So the tool I chose to use was Screencastify. Screencastify is a screen recording tool that allows the instructor to have some options. They can record the entire desktop as I'm currently doing, or they can embed their webcam or just have their webcam up. It gives them some options. It's versatile in that regard. Um, so it's a screen recording tool that has some versatility. Some of the main features of Screencast are that it allows the instructor to be versatile if they're in an environment that's using a hybrid or a flipped or a blended classroom type of instruction. It allows them to use, it fits really well in any of those scenarios. Or if they want to go from one to the other, they can pivot really well using Screencastify as a screen recording tool. Some of the other things is that it allows the instructor to scale their lessons. One of the things about scaling is an instructor can create some videos that address some common questions so they're not saying the same thing over and over and over again. It also allows the instructor to get really creative. So for example, if the instructor wanted to, let's say, teach their students or have their students do a project in Canva, then the instructor could show themselves navigating to Canva and navigate to Canva, and they can say, okay, we're going to create a infographic. So they could show them typing in infographic and coming up with a template, and they could perhaps choose this template, select it, and then they could show themselves going in and show the students how they can edit this template to make the infographic meet their needs. So it gives them some opportunities to show them how to do that, walk them through the process. So that's one of the ways, some of the benefits, and then it can be used in instruction like this, in that it allows students who are absent in a traditional environment. Students who are absent, it keeps them from falling behind because they can get that day's video. They can be personalized as well. It also allows students to communicate in a safe environment with their instructor. But another thing that it does, another benefit of this tool or how it can be used in instruction, is that obviously in distance education, it can be used to, so you don't have to have the face-to-face environment that you would in traditional models of education. And some of the reasons that it's effective is that it engages the student. It gets their hands on. Another reason that it's an effective tool is that students can watch the video multiple times if necessary. So sometimes students don't get things the first time they're shared, so they can watch it multiple times until they get the concept. It allows them to ask questions if necessary. Another reason it's effective is that the instructor can go back and see who's watched of their students or of their learners, how many have watched the video, how many have watched it multiple times. So maybe they can see where people are having some issues. So it's a great tool, allows instructors